And but yeah, if you look, see there's that tree right there that cut down. That's a big tree. And there's another one right there. And then yeah, there's that one right there. Big ass fucking tree. There's one right here, right next to us. Shit. They yeah, this beaver fucking puts in some work. I wonder if that's just by accident or somebody did that on purpose. It's fucking dope either way, because now it's like walking over a pond instead of a little stream, which is really, really cool.